Hello, Professor Lewis. Good morning. Say hello to the guys for me. Professor Lewis checking out his wardrobe. Someone here. Mr. Temnus. Good morning, sir. And there she is. As you can see, that was, I don't have my GoPro, so I'm using my phone to try and capture some imagery. Maybe I'll stop here. Just for a second. As I was saying, better view there. Here we go. Well, that's a good view of Samson and Goliath. Good morning, folks. Beautiful academy. Here's Bella. She's sleeping right now. And I have just discovered that I'm also chief invigilator. It's fantastic.
Okay, walk. Hello. Just having an opportunity to have a break. How's your day been so far? It's been quite full on. We try to do some marking, answer emails in meetings, telephone calls, trying to squeeze in a bit of lunch before we go to another meeting.
That's what's right.
Yeah, and then hopefully we'll get home at some point today.
Home? What's home?
Do some gardening if I can.
Oh, garden.
3:29. And there is art everywhere in our building, even on the floors. It's just amazing stuff. Oh, that's nice. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, go! Hey! 8:20, class finished, last year students are going away, and I'm a little bit knackered. Here I am in the academy with the guys. Say hello.
Welcome to the academy.
Brilliant. It's 9:08 and it's still the light. That's pretty magnificent. For 6, 11, 12,000 steps. I don't know how many. Half 1 hour of cycling. Bit of exercise. And all approvals and emails done. And now it's time for Greek music.
Κι όσοι με πικράναν πολύ, τώρα που φεύγω απ' τη ζωή, όλους τους συγχωρνάω. Όλα είναι ένα ψέμα, μια ανάσα, μια πνοή. Σαν λουλούδι κάποιο χέρι θα μας κόψει μια αναυγή.